It's a nice Friday, so we're starting the video outside. Shh. Oh, don't tell nobody, but I'm gonna jaywalk. Oopsies. So, I don't think anyone has filmed this building yet, and if they have, I have not managed to find the video. So, I'm gonna film it because I don't know what's in here. I think records said Dover, but we will see. Unless it's locked, but it shouldn't be because it is still business hours. So, let's see. Okay. How's it going? Well, they were Dover, but not anymore. Not the fastest elevators in the world, but that's all right. Let's get a view, why don't we? Or not. Let's see. Let's get our cab view. All right. So this is interesting brails. Looks like they replaced this one. Jeez, look at all that gunk. Yeah. They got it clean.